This video demonstrates how to build sale items and launch a sales campaign in duesPlus. Open the Campaigns menu from the left navigation, then select Sale Items to open the list of products available for sale. Before adding products, click Sale Item Groups to organize them into categories, since grouping makes items easier to manage on the campaign checkout page. Click Add Group, and in the Item Group dialog, enter Dues as the group name. The Display Group in drop-down toggle controls whether items appear in a drop-down selector. Set the sort order to 10 and add a note such as Membership Dues for 20, XX to 20XX. Optional fields also allow a venue name, address, location details, and an event date, useful if the group ties to a physical event. Click Save Group. The Dues group now appears in the list with its sort order and active status. Click Add Group again to create a second category, Apparel, with a sort order of 20, and a note like Apparel Items for Sale. Save the group. Both Apparel and Dues now appear active in the list. Return to Sale Items and click Add Item to create the first product. The new item panel collects a required name, an optional description, total number available per campaign, sort order, a required amount, and the product group it belongs to. Enter Annual Dues for 20XX as the name, and Annual Dues for General Membership as the description. Set the sort order to 10 and the amount to $199, pricing it at $199. Select Dues from the Product Group dropdown, linking this item to the group created earlier. The ticket information, availability, and subscription sections offer toggles to create a ticket, restrict purchase dates, or enable recurring payments, all left off, since this is a simple one-time dues charge. In Budget Recognition, open the Product Type dropdown, which classifies the item for reporting. Options include dues, event, add-on, donation, subscription, and other. Select Dues. The Budget Recognition timing dropdown controls when revenue is recognized. Immediate on the payment date or term deferred, which defers recognition to the start of the budget term. Select Term Deferred, since dues are typically prepaid, then choose the relevant fiscal year from the Budget Term dropdown. Click Add Campaign Item to save. The new item appears in the Sale Items list at $199 one time. Click Add Item again for a second product. Saving without required fields triggers validation errors for name and amount. Enter Club T-shirt as the name and please select a color and size as the description. Set the sort order to 20 and the amount to 35, pricing it at $35. Select Apparel from the Product Group dropdown. Skip ticket information, availability, and subscription since they don't apply to a physical product, and set Budget Recognition's Product Type to Other. In the Attributes section, click Add Attribute to define purchase options. Name one attribute size, with values like small, medium, large, X-large, 2X, and 3X. Then add a second attribute, color, with a value like red. Click Add Campaign Item to save the Club T-shirt. Both items now appear in the list, correctly grouped under Dues and Apparel. With both items ready, navigate to Campaign List and click Add Campaign. Enter duesPlus Demo Organization Dues as the title, and a description noting the form is used to pay dues and purchase apparel. Set the campaign type to dues, then use the products field to add both the annual dues item and the club t-shirt. In campaign settings, disable convenience fees shifts processing costs to the organization instead of the purchaser. Allow donation adds an optional donation box for participants, and display address fields controls whether address information is collected at checkout. In dues information, set a membership expiration date defining when memberships purchased through this campaign expire. In notifications and availability, choose staff members, such as Demo duesPlus and John Smith, to receive copies of campaign receipts and set a start and end date for the campaign's active window. Click Add Campaign to finish. The new campaign appears in the sidebar under Current Sale Campaigns and in the campaign list, confirming it was created successfully. Opening the campaign link previews the live checkout page participants will see. The page displays the campaign title and description, and items appear grouped under dues and apparel, exactly as configured. The annual dues item is included automatically at $199. Clicking the club t-shirt opens a panel with a quantity selector, color swatches for red, white, and blue, and size options from small through 3X, the attributes configured earlier. Selecting blue and medium and clicking Add to Order brings the total to $234. A Support Our Campaign section, enabled by the Allow Donation setting, offers preset donation amounts and a custom field. Selecting $25 raises the total to $259. Proceeding to checkout displays a full order summary confirming the dues charge, the shirt with its chosen color and size, the donation, and the final total, verifying that the campaign and its items were configured correctly.